Liberty stock number 50866 is a Vectrax model GS-20V, 3-axis CNC programmable knee mill with an Acu-rite MillPwr MP2 controller, Kurt drawbar, and
Is that everything?
yeah, that's pretty much all the bells and whistles.
That's it?
Oh, serial number 116073, and it is a 5-horsepower mill.
It is, yes.
Okay.
Good through there. Yeah, there's not much to walk around down here. I've never even looked on the side. I'm just checking on myself. I don't know if, yeah, okay, let's just go to the column. So, yeah, the servos, table's in nice shape. You might want to show that. One Jacob's chuck on the side here.
The waves are nice too.
Yeah, they look pretty good. I'll probably see some of that up here, even though it's kind of dark in here, but they're pretty clean. I could zip it back under power and real quick.
Well, let's go. Let me walk around the other side first.
Yeah, I'll do anything here. Got cords on the floor. We're temped in. Currently at 220. And got the airline coming in for the power drawbar. Not much else to go with here, except the back of the controller if you want to kind of get in on that. The 3 servo cords and the power cord.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's got, of course, the Z-axis disconnect. I'm not going to do that now. I've got it on, locked in and homed already. I got the control up, but you open this up and you can bring the quill down manually. That's all that is.
Okay.
So we'll leave that alone for now. Oh, I wanted to move it manually. I was going to move it manually anyhow, just so you can see. I left the handle on here just so you can see movement of the Z-axis whenever I'm running a basic program on here. And at 100% P, 100%, I'm just going to wrap it back and forth. Sounds nice. And you can slow that down, I think, right here. Yep. There's 30%. Clicking is the handle. It's collapsed. We'll come in and out on it. Go back up a little bit fast. There's 100, 105, 110, 100. It's got a long D on it, doesn't it? A lot of travel. DROs are reading out, as you can see. Let me send it back a little bit. There's the DRO. Incremental, I think, works here too. In manual mode, in DRO, if you move table, and let me see if I can. I had it before, and I forget where it was at. But oh, we wanted to check the infeed on this. This will come up now. You might be able to see a little bit better in here. Yeah, you can kind of see it's pretty clean.
Mm-hmm. Looks good.
Yeah, vertical works. There's not much more to show. The underside. Oh, and Z. I can show you Z coming down. That's off the control. The soft keys here. Back up. I'll just leave it though. I've got a couple programs and I got a 4-bolt hole pull. Yeah, you want to see the quill?
Yeah.
Got a 4-bolt hole program on here, and I did a circle, double circle, and I just threw some rough numbers in there. We'll let me take that up a little bit. Let's play with the spindle here. Run the spindle high and low, and then we'll just jump into a couple of small programs here. I'm in high already, so I'll just fire it up and dial it up and down here. Forward, forward, forward. That was pretty far up. That's, where are we at? Huh? 22. There's the red zone. I'll get out of it. 28. Sounds nice. Midstream, 16. 12. Back up to high. 28. And shut it off. Break that. Go back into low. Go the opposite direction for forward. That sounds good too. I can go into the red now. 425. Three. 2. You can see the cutter kind of I just threw something in there just so you can see it in there.
That's good.
So, okay, we're good there. Let me get back in the high. I usually leave them in high. Get it all the way up in there. There we go. Should be good. Yep. Oh, I gotta get out of the, am I out of the red zone now? You bring it down. There we go. That said, yeah, we're still in jog mode here. We'll do the circle. What do I have? Like I said, I just get out of this and circle. What did I do? A ring. I did a ring.
Come close and look.
Yeah, I'm going. As soon as I bring it up, you can look at it. I just put some dummy numbers in there. A center of X at minus 2.3, Y 2.9. They're dummy numbers, and I just move around, did an inner and an outer, and I'm even using Z for a little bit here from 2.5 to 2.3. Finish cut at 1.75. I'm really flying 50 inches per minute, no messing around. And even on these, you can put an IPM in here if you want to just change that to a number, you can, but I just hit rapid. And down here on the tool, same thing. So it's a rapid IPM. So it's just gonna rapid through it, but I can slow it down off the feed. So we're at 120% right now. I'm just gonna hit go here, and it should all just line up and do its thing. It's gonna ask me about current tool is my 1/4 inch. I did put a tool from the library in there. Yeah, I don't know if we wanted to look at that real fast. Just a quick stop. Cancel, just a couple of pages. I was going to do that. Tool, there's a tool there. Tool library, inch. Tool library is here. There's the 3 of them that are in there, and I just picked out that guy right there and went with it. So that's tool library, and you can change those as much as you want. Rectangle, again, what kind of rectangle, slot, face, pick one, and then you just put in your numbers, which I don't have in this particular program. Cancel that, and here's program button. And there's no program. Current program would be there, step by step, and you put it in there, and step functions, walk through it, and then save it, which I don't have. I'm more like in MDI mode right here. So let me cancel out of that, and DRO, and go back into my circle, which is what I had, ring. Now I'm just gonna hit cycle start, but it's gonna ask me a couple of things. I forget what. One was the tool. Hit it again, rapid move, raise the quill, press go. Yeah, we're all good on that. It's going to find its position, and now Z-axis set to 0, press go, which I'm good to go, and I'm just going to hit go. There's a circle at rapid, and you can see the dials. It's moving along pretty fast, but it's just to see it happen. Now it's got the bigger circle. We did the little one first. There's the big one. Now the Z, come down and do a finish cut with the Z. They're just goofy numbers, but at least you get to see it all work. Looks like a figure 8 almost. It's getting in, circling, and getting back out again. And then we'll do a finish cut here of 1.75 inches. That's about it. Last one around, I think. Go back home, and that's home. You want to see another one? You just want to see the other program.
Yeah, that was good.
All right, so that's good. And then the other one is just a holes. Hold, let me stop this. Stop. Get out. Holes. What do I do? Bolt circle. 4 holes. Oh, and I'm using the Z-ax here. 4 holes, and I'm using pick. I'm pecking 3 times for each hole. So I'm only going a short distance from 4.3 to 3.5. I'm using absolute, of course. I'm using a drill, 7 inches per minute on the Z feed, radius of 1.5. So it's just a small rectangular box. Counterclockwise, 4 holes, and like I said, I've got a peck of 3 on there. So you'll see it hesitate. That's why I left the handle on. You can see this thing hesitate 3 times as it's going down for each hole. That said, I'm going to hit program start. Again, it should just go to where it needs to go. And tool, yeah, tool is good. 1/4 inch. I'm using the same end mill, same tool. It's going to home itself. Go back up. Get in position, and we're drilling. There's the peck. See the hesitation? I mean, we're drilling fast, but it's just, yeah. Hole number 2. Works good.
I'm going to come up on the screen for hole number 3.
Yeah, go for holes 3 and 4, whatever. Here's hole number 3. Just a Z going down. X and Y are at 0. There's 0. And last hole.
That's cool.
Yeah, watch yourself. And that's it, yeah.
Oh, drawbar.
Oh, yeah, that's what I did. I hooked up the air, that's right. Let me get this out of here if I can. Let's see. In, out. See what I can do here. If I get enough air pressure on here. Boy, don't I, huh? Got everything. See if I can put it back in. There we go. You know, I was holding the cutter. Should have got the collet. And back in again. Yeah, that's pretty simple. In fact, I'm gonna leave it out because I don't want to ship with the cutter in there. There we go.
Okay,
We're
that's
done.
great.
We're
Thank you.
done. We're done.
Thank you.
All right.